Why is my home internet so slow?
Slow home internet is a common frustration. The reasons can range from outdated equipment and network congestion to interference from other devices. Understanding the root causes is the first step towards faster, smoother browsing and streaming. Let's explore the main reasons for sluggish internet and the steps you can take to speed things up.
Is my router the problem?
An old or poorly positioned router can be a major culprit for slow internet. If your router is several years old or placed far from where you use the internet most, speeds drop dramatically. Try updating your router's firmware, relocating it to a central spot, or consider upgrading to a modern device for better coverage.
Can too many devices slow down the connection?
Multiple devices, like phones, laptops, and smart home gadgets, all use your bandwidth at once. If everyone in your home streams, games, or downloads simultaneously, speeds drop for everyone. To fix this, disconnect unused gadgets, limit background app activity, or upgrade to a plan that offers more bandwidth.
Does interference affect Wi-Fi speed?
Interference from other electronics, thick walls, or even nearby Wi-Fi networks can weaken your signal and lead to slower speeds. Use the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, if your router supports it. Keep the router away from microwaves and cordless phones, and consider using Wi-Fi extenders to reach distant rooms.
Should I call my internet service provider?
If you've tried improving your setup, but speed problems persist, the issue could be with your internet service provider. Outages, outdated wiring, or a plan that no longer meets your needs can all play a role. Contact your provider to check for outages, ask about service upgrades, or schedule a technician visit.
What else can I do to improve internet speed?
Regularly reset your router, run speed tests, and make sure your devices are free of viruses and malware, as these can consume bandwidth. Limiting video quality on streaming services and downloading large files during off-peak times also helps. With a few simple adjustments, you can enjoy a noticeably faster home internet experience.